Hey, where we going, bro?
Alright, boys. Right now, I know you guys are gonna be like, what the fuck? Is this hella random and shit? But I got an offer, or not even offer, I was just scrolling through Facebook Marketplace and shit. And low-key, I seen a car that I've been wanting, because I don't even like GTIs, to be honest. Or Volkswagen, matter of fact. So I saw this car and I hit up the phone, like, hey, you trying to trade and shit like that?
You've been wanting a rear-wheel drive car.
And like, it's rear-wheel drive, that's the thing too. Like, and he was like low-key down, so we're gonna go check it out right now, see if we're gonna do the trade. I'm pretty sure the trade's gonna go down, so it's gonna be the last, a goodbye to the GTI, to be honest. Which is whatever, I don't even like GTIs. So we'll see.
Cause it's slow. Some different for the change, huh?
Yeah, just something different too, cause like,
Change the scenery, something like.
we're about to go check it out though. We'll see what we can record there, cause it might be kind of awkward with some random fool, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens right now.
Coming soon. You already know.
All right, boys, we're pulling up right now. Hopefully the deal turns out good. I don't know. We'll have to see how it is first, but oh shit, I can see him already. All right, this is the car. We're gonna check it out real quick. Keep the camera up. Y'all have some miles in there? Vermont. So how many miles does it have or what?
150.
150? Is it stock or like what's up with it? Boys, we actually traded the fucking car. That foot was kind of awkward though, huh?
Yeah.
But what do you think, y'all? What do you think?
Hella long, bro. Let's just see.
I'll show you guys a little bit later, but I mean, you guys can see it's a Miata. It's fucking clean, bro. Hold up, I don't even remember what key he told me. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
New car, boys. Let me guys know what you guys think down below for sure about the trade. It's a straight trade, no cash on top of anything.
Say bye to your old girl.
Oh yes, guys, we're saying goodbye. Bro, I can't believe I actually traded, bro.
Last little look. You feel me?
New owner now.
Yeah.
But low-key, I gotta come up, boys. Little Miata, you feel me?
This is sick, bro.
Let me know what you guys think down below of the trade. Good deal or no good deal, but let's see what she's talking about. Pop. But I want the window down, bro. Oh, motherfucker.
Nigga can't even pull the window down, DJ.
This is not fast at all, bro. That's me guessing it, bro. Actually, no, I wasn't guessing it all the way, but you see how slow it is?
Yeah. I mean, yours was the same.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Well, this is mine now. Oh! What do you think? You actually like it? It's cool with the drop, huh?
Nah, just a general. Oh!
It has no alignment. Boys, I love Miatas, bruh. I fucking love Miatas, bruh. The drop top is so fucking nice, bruh. It was a good trade. It was a good trade, bruh. I just fucking love Miatas. Oh, dude, this is so nice, bruh. Look, feel that wind in my air. Ah.
What?
We ride with the top down the whole way. Fuck it, savage.
How do you even put it up?
And then you just.
Oh, hell no, you have to do it by hand? I thought it was like a button. Like.
No. Well, not on this one. Newer one.
That's sick, bro. You can. How do people put like one up and one down?
You disconnect one, or like you spam it, I think.
Break it, yeah.
Oh hell no, bro! Oh hell no! This is kind of quick, huh?
A little bit.
love the fucking Miata, bro. This shit is so cool. This shit is so fucking nice, bro. It's about to rain, bro. It's about to rain. We gotta put the top up. Look at that shit. Go, go, go. You gotta fuerzas, man. Fuerzas. Here, I'll hold it for you. I'll hold it for you. Go, go. Go, go, go. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Oh, shit. Bro, it's too hard, bro. It's too hard. Go, clip it, clip it. No. Yeah, there you go, there you go. It's good, it's good, it's good. Oh, there we go. Oh, shit. Nah, I'll clip it, I'll clip it. Put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it over there. We'll do it over there. Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell no, bruh.
It's fucking cold. My ears are freezing. And it's so loud.
Hey, you can't see her good at camera.
Kinda. You guys can't see us good, but it's fucking foggy. And the top is hard to put up because we're fucking in the freeway.
We still got 12 minutes left, my nigga.
12 more minutes. Oh, hell no.
So bad, Fast and Furious should sponsor us.
For real. Oh, nigga, we're fucking stupid. Look at this shit. Woo! Bro, we're fucking stupid. It's cold. It's cold. Boy, we've been waiting for like an hour and a half now just to watch Furious 9.
It should better be good.
It should. I feel like it'll be alright, I think.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that bad.
I feel like it'll be cool.
We've been waiting how much?
Like an hour and a half now, no?
No more, nigga.
More?
Yes, over there. Remember
Yeah,
you
not
were
been
like,
that much.
nigga's about to eat the snacks before he goes to the movie.
I'm gonna get popcorn then.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you say?
You can get popcorn.
I might get popcorn or a hot dog or nachos. I don't know.
A hot
Oh,
dog?
a hot dog, low key, huh?
Yeah,
Sus.
banging, busting.
Sus.
Look busy. Imagine
Wait.
eating it one bite. Yeah,
This nigga
hijo.
might not pass it, bro.
It's over there. It's
Yeah,
right there,
it's
Rebel.
right here.
Regal. You said no, nigga.
I said right there.
But you said no, it wasn't Regal.
It is pretty cool.
You know, earlier.
Yeah, you said no, bruh. You were like, you fucking dumbass, you're not here, bruh. You wanna get hit? That's what you said.
You did like that.
Pítale. Pinche idiota. Let's get it glizzy?
This is good or what?
Like the Costco glizzy.
Yeah,
Ah.
that shit's smacking, dog.
Costco
Oh.
glizzy?
Yes,
Hell yeah.
they're huge.
They are big, actually.
That's what we like it.
Those are actually my favorite. The Costco ones. Hands down. Best hot dogs.
Actually,
Hell yeah.
so the guy?
Swear to God.
What you like?
No cash.
What is mine then?
Right here.
Huh?
Right here.
What?
Right here's your Costco glizzy.
You guys are nasty, bro. Get out of here, bro.
Actually?
I don't have friends. I got family.
I know, it's looking stupid.
What'd you think of the movie?
That shit was cool.
You actually liked it?
Yeah.
I mean, it was alright, but like,
There was a lot of motion.
nah. It was cool, but like, nigga, you're fucking.
Nigga, I barely did that.
Ass. Don't watch it. Just wait for DVD.
That's gonna be one more.
Nah, don't watch it. Stupid.
Unless, I mean, if you're really bored or something, yeah, but there's nothing crazy.
The GTR at the end.
Yeah.
Spoilers coming in.
It sounds like those niggas are doing a YouTube video.
Who?
Acting. The car shit was better than that.
The black nigga swear he was hella funny.
Why?
I don't know. I don't like it.
Yeah, some of them weren't funny. There were some that were funny. Some jokes were actually funny, but
So watch it or not watch it?
I mean, yeah, I would. I mean, we did, so what the fuck? It was alright. Nothing crazy though.
Someone ate shit though. Hey, nigga.
Chill. Lo que pasó, pasó. What's up, boys? I always seem to record these like whenever I'm driving home from work or whenever, just a random ass time. But boys, we hit 1,000 subscribers, bruh. Like that shit is so sick to me, bro. Like, and the boys aren't here, but I know they share the same feelings, you know. Like, we've been fucking grinding it out ever since I got like the blue GTIs, when we were like, all right, boys, let's actually go hard. Let's actually, like, you know what I mean? And ever since then, like, we've been steady grinding, steady growing and everything. Fucking, we love y'all for real, boys. We love y'all for real. And it's not done yet, boys. You know, like, we're gonna keep going, keep everything going, you know, like. But I mean, boys, we've been working at this for a while, and it's not even like, here, I'm gonna tease you guys, cause look, hey, I'm gonna give you guys a little tease. I'm gonna pop up a picture. All right, you see the picture? Yes, that is. I don't know what picture I posted up, cause I'm still like, I haven't still put it up or nothing, but that's one of my old ass videos that I recorded. It's not, you can't even, like, if you scroll down on the channel, you won't even find them. Like, they're on another channel, they're privated. It's some old ass videos, but like, it's been a long time coming, you know. Like, we've been grinding, we've been doing everything, you know, like. But for real, boys, like, we appreciate you guys for real watching our videos, liking, commenting, anything, any type of interaction, boys. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I mean, some of y'all probably understand, but like, we literally be like having not even a bad day type shit, but just like seeing some comments, I'm like, it just makes us feel like so cool, keeps us motivated, all that shit, bro. Like, I love to see the comments, boys. I love to see the comments. That's for sure. And I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you guys for watching and all that shit, you know. It's just the beginning, boys. We got a long ways to go. And y'all first 1,000, bro. Y'all been here since the start, so hats off to you. Ah! Nah, but you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all been here. But we got a lot of things planned out. We want to do a lot of different things too. Like, there's a bunch of shit. Like, it's just too much shit, but just stick with us, boys. You know, you guys been, we'll keep out bringing out cool content for y'all. Always trying to improve and shit. Like, I shit like you guys already know, boys. But just thank y'all for real. Thank y'all. But other than that, boys, we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Where you going, Daniel?
I waited to see y'all because I was doing some crazy shit. All right, go. Now for real. I'm acting go. Okay, now, but I was talking. Okay, now go for real. Now don't be like, hey, where you going, Daniel?
Hey, Daniel, where we going, bro?
Oh my God, bro. Now, don't say my name, bro. Don't say my name. Just don't say my name. Yo, what's up, man? Daniel. Bro, you can't do this. That's not crazy, bro. I just think, man, Daniel. They're gonna even know more. Actually, you wanna? Okay. Here. Just pretend you're selling me the car. Like, just be like, oh, I'm like, how many miles it has? Just say some random number. Alright. But I have to drive it home. I don't know about that one. Alright, you ready?